O, diba? Ang galing. Ang galing niya kasi ano, lumalapit sa akin kasi may pagkain ako.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pag wala akong pagkain, hindi lumalapit yan, guys. Ano kaya ang pangalan tong ano? Ano kaya ang pangalan to? Turkey ba to? Wild turkey o ano? Nilapitan ako kasi ano. Agoy. Diyos ko, lumapit siya sa akin. Nag-aaway sila, oh. Nag-aaway. Hinahabol yung isang turkey. Hinahabol. Oh, takbo siya, takbo kasi. Nagagalit talaga pag ano. Ay, nako. Nagagalit. No. Huwag ka lang lumapit sa akin. I-short video kita. Huwag ka lang lumapit. So, yan mga nagkakita na naman kami ng kangaroo. Ayan, tumatalon na to. Sorry, wallabies pala. Ayan, oh, tumatalon sila, oh. Natatakot. Ayan. Tumatalon sila, oh. Ayan sila. Ay, tumatalon sila. What is it?
Whiptail wallaby.
So,
Whiptail.
Yeah, whiptail wallabies daw yan, guys. So, whiptail wallabies. Whiptail wallabies.
Tail.
Whiptail. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Whiptail wallabies. Okay, guys, that's whiptail wallabies. Whiptail wallabies. Dito lang yan, guys, makikita sa Australia. Whiptail wallabies. And now we are on the dirt road. What happened? Why we are here? Where are we going? So, guys, ito yung pine plantation dito sa Australia. Ito yung ano, ginagawang guys, pine plantation dito sa Australia. Yan. So yan ang pine plantation, ginagawang timber. So yan, guys. Dito sa kabila ay National Park ng Australia. Ito naman sa kabila ay pine plantation. So hanggang doon yan sa pinaka, how long is this one? How big is the pine plantation and the national?
Very big.
Very big. Oh my goodness, that car is... So yeah, guys. Oh, guys ay bagong tanim. Hindi makita, pero bagong tanim ng pine trees. Ayan guys, oh. Oh, nakikita niyo ba? Ayan. Bagong tanim. Ayan siya, oh. Bagong tanim lang yan. Ayan, ayan. Kita na siguro niyo guys. Ito naman guys. Yan sa right side ay pine tree. Sa left side ay pine tree. Ang laki pala ng ano yung pine tree para sa timber dito sa Australia. Ang laki pala talaga. I can't imagine how many acres. How many acres for this? So, ito yung ano guys, oh, yan. Yan ang ano what is it? Yan ang pinupuntahan namin. Yan ang nakapaligid sa where we are now. So, yan ang showing all the pine trees plantation. Lahat yung mga ano na yan ay pine trees plantation yan guys. Kung saan kami ngayon. So, I can't imagine how big is it. Ilang, wow, grabe talaga. So guys, dito kami ngayon sa Woodford place. Is like a country town, pero ito yung mga bahay ng sa country sa town, mga ano lang, mga pang ano lang ba, parang Pilipinas something. Woodford. So we are here in Stickstone Espresso, or they have Thai restaurants. We're going to the Stickstone. This is a small place. Ito yung ano, iba talaga sa city ano. So, kasi nandito kami sa country town guys. So yan, may ano din. Ayan. So guys, tingnan nyo yung pagkain nila, oh. Ang sasarap na mga pagkain nila. Mayroon silang lemon togarts loaf. Masarap siguro yan. Yan guys, oh. Ang sarap guys. So if you want to fried chicken, yan. Maganda to. Zucchini fritter, yan guys. Diba ang sarap? Yan guys, ang sarap-sarap. That's the airport guys. Yan ang airport. Pauwi na kami sa amin. Malapit na. That draw there is to go to airport.
Late at night, maybe midnight, we're also working job order. Just getting whatever is the second most exciting.
Ang panahon hindi pa rin maganda.
Because this is by far the most exciting thing you can do it. And there are people who buy into that. And
so guys, paakit kami ng Gateway Bridge.
Honestly believe that human consciousness is rare and maybe unique. I know where it is.
Yan mga warehouse dyan. Nasa ano na kami sa Gateway Bridge. You see guys ang Gateway Bridge pataas oh.
The extinguishing fuel Secondly, he says it's a great adventure. We wake up every morning together and say you created the least Congress to, whatever it may be, and Whitehall. But we have to have our
Yan na, paakyat na kami ng Gateway Bridge guys.
that
Oh.
make sure what they are. And there's nothing more inspiring even adventure than going to New Frontier. The greatest frontier is
Hindi makikita ang Brisbane City dito kasi nasa pauwi na kami. So guys, oh. Sa baba nito guys ay Brisbane River.
And do you think that he's scared?
So mahaba tong Gateway Bridge guys.
I think that he went all the time. Maybe he's got 30 years. Not that he
Walang gaanong traffic ngayon
but he wants a mission.
kasi Sabado.
Believe,
Pero minsan din mayroon.
but he's always fine.
Oh, yan na. Pababa na kami.
I think in 30 years there will be missions to Mars. I think in 10 years and I think
So, yan guys ang katapusan ng Gateway Bridge.